What's up, party people? Welcome back to the show. Today we are at Thunderhill with the Shelby Club, NorCal Shelby, and there's no one here, so it's awesome. So we're gonna have a good time, you know, learn a couple things. I just had to do a bunch of work on the car because it was not right the last time I was here.
Hold on a second, let's pause on this. What we found out after the last event at Thunderhill was the car was undrivable, resulting in really crappy lap times.
Yeah.
The alignment was f***ed, the tires were shot, and I found out that I had a sway bar bushing that was leaving the chat room. After doing some work on the car, I returned to Thunderhill to see what performance could be extracted out of the car after making all those changes, and here we are today.
You know, let me know what you think. Talk to you guys later.